You can use OR operators to check if one of the conditions is true in your if statement. Here I have set name to Jane. Then I'm checking if the name is equal to Jane. Then I want to print software engineer on my page here. But let's say if I want to print software engineer when the name is John too. If I change this to John, then it's not going to print software engineer because that's not what we are checking here. To make this work for John too, I can add another if condition here. I can say if the name is John, then also we would like to print software engineer on our page. Now it's going to print software engineer because it's going to check if the name is Jane. It's not in this case, so it's not going to print this. But in the second statement, it'll check if the name is John, then it'll print software engineer. But you can add this into an existing if statement by using OR operator. Here I can use OR operator saying that if the name is Jane or John, then we would like to print software engineer on our page. Then you don't need this if statement. I can remove that. And now if I refresh the page, it's going to print software engineer when the name is John. And if the name is Jane, then also is going to print software engineer on my page here. If the name is Monica, and then refresh the page, then it's not going to print software engineer because it does not satisfy any of these conditions. You can throw in another AND operator in your if statement too. Let's say if I want to check if the age is greater than 16 and name is either Jane or John, then we would like to print software engineer. I'm going to change this name to Jane and then check if the age is greater than 16 and the name is either Jane or John, then we would like to print software engineer on our page. And it is gonna because age is greater than 16. If I change this to 15, then it's not gonna print because it doesn't satisfy this condition. If I refresh my page, it's gonna print no message. So this is how you can use AND and OR operators in your if statements. In the next section, I'm going to talk about switch statements.